Today, we're heading to the mountains of Taiwan, Hewanshan, Qingjing Farm, and Old England Manor. By the way guys, I'm Donna, OFW here in Taiwan. Our first stop is Hewanshan Snow Mountain. Grabe, sa daan pa lang, zero visibility na. High above the clouds, dito mo mararamdaman kung gaano kalakas ang kalikasan at kung gaano kakahina in the most humbling way. This is Hewanshan, where the air is thinner and the wind is colder, and the world feels slower. Unang tapak sa snow, parang bata ka ulit, tahimik, mangha, walang iniisip. Every breath turns into fog, every step feels unreal, parang sinasabi ng bundok na huminto ka muna. Sometimes, kailangan mo talagang umakyat para makita kung gaano ka nakalayo. But then again, upon booking this trip is mahirap talaga makachamba ng snow kasi mainit ng mga last few weeks. But before this day, na-update kami ng organizer na possible na may snow daw sa Hewanshan, so nag-go na ako. Binayaran ko this tour is 1,900 NT with 4 itinerary. At ito nga pala ang first time kong makakita talaga ng real snow. And alam nyo ba guys, ang Hewanshan or Joy Mountain is a Taiwan's premier high-altitude, easily accessible snow-watching destination located in central Taiwan. It's over 3,000 meters on the Nantou-Hualien border, often featuring snow from December to February. Featuring 300 peaks, its main, east, north, and the scenic Shimen Mountain. It offers accessible, short, paved trails and breathtaking sunrises and a top-rated international dark sky park. Now we're heading to Qingjing Farm. From the cold silence of the mountains, we go down to something gentler. Welcome to Qingjing Farm, also known as Taiwan's Little Switzerland. Green hills, fresh air, and sheep roaming freely. Parang walang deadline dito. Habang pinapanood mo sila, mararamdaman mo ang bumabagal ang tibok ng puso mo. Char! Simple moments like this remind us that happiness doesn't have to be loud. Minsan, sapat na yung tahimik at sapat na yung ngayon. So, ang aming next itinerary is in Swiss Garden pero hindi na ako bumaba because of high altitude sickness. And our last stop is Old England Manor, para isang European dream sa gitna ng Taiwanese mountains, stone walls, elegant details, and a calm that feels timeless. Feeling ko nga habang naglalakad-lakad ako dito ay para ako nasa fairy tale. It's the kind of place that makes you pause, look around, and feel grateful. This journey reminded me travel isn't about escaping life. It's about finding moments that bring you back to yourself. Until the next adventure, see you on the road. Bye-bye!